Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to change your avatar's hair and skin color, whether you want one solid color or different shades on each body part. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Once you're in, head over to your avatar section. We need to go into the customization area where you can change the actual hair and skin tone of your avatar. So look for the head and body section. Inside that, you'll find the hair option, where you can change hair style, and then skin option. Here you'll see a bunch of skin colors you can apply with just one tap. If you want the same color across your entire avatar, simply select your favorite shade and it will apply instantly. But if you want more control, maybe different colors for your arms, legs, or head, then tap on the Advanced button. This lets you pick separate colors for every single body part. You can customize your left arm, right arm, torso, and both legs individually. Mix and match until you get the exact look you want. Once you're happy with your design, just exit the menu and your avatar will automatically update. And that's it. Your Roblox avatar now has a brand new style. If this helped you, make sure to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.